So this is this channel. So this is a Mitsubishi Atrans. They have a problem regarding the rotor disc and also the brake pads. You know they have a damage of brake caliper piston. So shout out everyone dyan. If you have a problem regarding the brakes, they have a sounds. Make it go to the nearest service center. So shout out everyone. This is the cause. This is the big cause this one because yeah, if it is a little damage, if they have something wrong, so you see the caliper piston damage, big damage because it's a metal to metal now. You see the rotor disc. This one damage. See? You see? So big damage. Also the caliper piston. No problem this one. The right side, but the left hand side is a big problem. You see? Big damage. So this is a metal to metal. The piston will release caliper piston. Pull out the caliper piston. This one. Since make it rotation. So this is a warning for all customers or all owners of the car. Must be make it preventive maintenance. So this is a Mitsubishi Atrans. Caution all, warning all owners of the car must be make it preventive maintenance. So this is this channel. So if you have any problem like sounds, any sounds, go to the nearest service center. So this is this channel. Thank you very much for always support. You know yung this channel. Thank you and bye bye.
You know.